Oh, that's not good. This is really bad. So this is right up the road from our house.
This is crazy, right? I mean, look at that.
So this is Enders Falls, and it's the 4th of July. Almost, tomorrow.
Almost tomorrow.
Tomorrow's the 4th of July. We miss the snow a lot, like a real lot. I mean, this is fun and all, but so we kind of came here because the van is busted. Last time we spun this, Ella landed on Mount Washington. We had a really good time kicking around New Hampshire, but it's time to gamble again. We have some Adirondacks, some Mount Greylock, lighthouses in Maine, Jeep builds, van builds for like a new couch, Cape Cod National Seashore. Give it a spin. So Watkins Glen, that's about a 5-hour ride for us. I've never been to the Finger Lakes region. I think there's a really cool campground in the gorge right outside of Watkins Glen. I was trying to think of the name of the town. But there's really cool restaurants there too. They have a nice harbor down by the water there. So there should be some cool stuff to do. We can maybe bring paddle boards, bring those with us.
Yep.
Anyways.
New, exciting place. We get to do some more exploring. Taking the van?
We haven't touched a van in like a month.
Poor van.
Poor van. It's just been sitting a month and a half maybe, because we didn't even take it to, we went vacation last week. We didn't even take it up there with us. Yeah, so let's check it. I think there's still sleeping bags in there. So
Yeah.
maybe we should clean it out and see what it's like.
The van.
Not too bad, actually. I think I took this the last time we went skiing. Yeah, let's look inside. It's actually a lot better than I was envisioning. Not too messy. It's all right. We got chairs.
We got
all right,
chairs.
so let's get this stuff out of here then. So it looks like we still got pillows. Peppercorns. This is always the scary part. Do we remember? Oh no, it's all mildewy.
Oh no.
Oh no. All right, that's one on the list. We got to clean that. I'm gonna move the back section. Do you remember if we took the chemical? No, we didn't take the chemical toilet out of. You think the fridge is gonna be gross?
Not it.
Yeah, we'll leave that right there. And we'll repack these back in once we put them back in the bags. I think that's it.
Whoa. The whole bumper just moved.
What?
The whole bumper just like dropped an inch.
What do you mean?
It totally like dipped right down.
Oh, this side?
Yeah.
Well, what the? Oh no, I see a crack here. So you can see the frame right here. Oh. See if I can get dirt in my mouth. So there's supposed to be frame here in my whole fist. This is all cracked. The frame is actually split right here. You can see my fingers going right through it. And from the back side also. So this whole piece is buckled and the suspension's held up right here. So, Ella, this thing's unsafe. We can't take this.
Seriously?
Yeah, that's bad. It's really bad. It's gonna be pretty expensive. Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm struggling. Ah, I'm wedged. It's not hard getting up from underneath things at my age. All right, we're gonna have to come up with a new plan. This sucks. This is gonna be pricey. So we came up here today because we were supposed to leave yesterday for that trip to Watkins Glen. And now we need a few more days, but the 4th of July is falling in here and we're gonna have to replan our trip with a different vehicle because
Poor van is kind of almost dead.
yeah, totally. Right now we're searching for a new frame end to replace the whole back section of the van. Yeah, it is what it is. So we're just heading upstream. We're gonna show you the rest. It is pretty cool. And right over here is the second waterfall. It's a little hot and sweaty today, even though the sun's not out. How you doing, Els?
Dying. I need some Mini Cooper wings.
Seriously. So our trip's still going forward, not gonna stop. We have a short break because of family and everything going on over the 4th, so we'll be back at it again. Probably the end of next week we'll be heading out, I think. We just have to get the truck ready like we did for Colorado that time.
So the van is not out of commission, don't worry. We were already planning an interior remodel to better suit our skiing needs, and so we'll just have a bigger project now, and we'll find the parts and pieces, and she'll be back soon enough, don't worry.
I know it's not ski season. We are sweating to death. These people over here are taking pictures of us doing YouTube. It's funny. I am sweating literally. So I know it's not snowing. I know you guys miss it too, but it is summertime. So like and watch this video if you want to see a little skiing. All right, guys, take it easy.
See ya.